everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I wanted to show you that we planted pumpkin. Yay, we are so excited. We have 8 little hills that have 3 pumpkin seeds in each. And you know, this project was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. All we did was we took a Rubbermaid bowl, like, you know, one that you would store like leftovers in, and we filled it half with in-ground soil, okay, that we bought at Home Depot, and then half with compost and cow manure. Mixed it together, patted it down, almost like, remember when we would go to the beach when we were kids, and we would take our buckets and our shovels, and we would put sand in the bucket and pat it down real good, and then we would flip it over and we would make sandcastles. Same concept. That's what we did for each one of these. And then we poked 3 holes in each of the little hills, like a bowling ball thing effect, like that. Okay, 3 holes in each one, planted seeds, an inch down, okay, covered it up, and that's all. And that's how we planted pumpkin. So cool, huh? So I just wanted to show you that. And look at my zucchini. My zucchini is growing great. And these guys sprouted up, I want to say, it's been 5 days since I planted seed. We have some sprouts coming up over the eggplant. They're little tiny itty bitty little babies. You can barely see them. But I see them from up here. But yeah. And that potato patch, holy cow. Nothing coming up from the corn yet. But that's only 2 days old. Yeah. So, what I wanted to talk to you today about is what to plant in July in Zone 9. Because that's what I'm in. I'm in Zone 9. And Zone 9 is pretty huge. What to plant in Zone 9 right now is corn, pumpkin, okra, beans. Beans of all sorts, okay? And southern peas, like black-eyed peas, okay? And those are the things that will survive in this awful heat. Because you know as well as I do, not a lot of things will survive in this terrible heat. So, just make sure you keep your plants watered. Make sure they're fed well. And you will have a successful growing season. But I just wanted to give you just a little bit more of an update than the video that I just did the other day. And to give you just a short list on what you can be growing right now in July. Because there's really not a lot to grow in July, seed-wise, or even starter plant-wise. There really isn't. But starting next month, holy cow when I tell you. Our lists of seeds to buy, whoo, it gets crazy. Because our late summer, fall, and even winter, woo, we're going to be busy up in this garden, and I cannot wait. Okay, that is all for this video. You have a wonderful day. Grow, grow, grow. Eat what you grow. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye.